everyone, welcome back to Mimi Homestyle. Today I'm sharing a simple and charming idea to celebrate Valentine's Day, a cozy tea bar. This year I decided to skip the traditional hot cocoa bar. So many people are doing those, and while they're fun, I've heard from some that it's just not their thing, or that guests would rather have tea and not something with chocolate. Instead, I wanted to try something I love and would rather enjoy, a tea bar. If you love tea in the evening like me, this is a perfect way to create a little warmth and relaxation during the winter months. And the best part, it's easy and affordable, and you can use items that you already have. So let me show you what I've put together and some budget-friendly hacks to make it even easier. I started by gathering trays I already had. Some were gifts, but if you're looking to create this on a budget, check out affordable trays at Dollar Tree or your local thrift stores. Don't have a tray? No problem. Repurpose a baking sheet or a large cutting board as the base for your tea bar. To add a festive touch, simply drape it with a Valentine's Day tea towel and add some cute Valentine's Day prints to the backdrop. For the tea selection, I wanted to offer a variety, so I included herbal teas, black teas, matcha green tea, breakfast tea, and even some decaf black teas, perfect for the evenings. I also added in some lemon packets and some sugar packets for those who are having problem with their sugar. And I also have some other sugars I'll be showing you in a minute. To keep everything organized, I used small glass containers I already had from the Dollar Tree, but if you're looking for an alternative, try an inexpensive divided box or even a clean empty gift box. Dollar Tree also has adorable Valentine's Day buckets with lids and gift boxes that are perfect for keeping everything tidy and stylish. It's all about using what you have or finding simple budget-friendly items to create something special and inviting for your Valentine's Day tea bar. I wanted to add a little extra charm to my tea bars, so I decorated a honey bottle from the grocery store with stickers and ribbon. It's such a simple way to make something look festive and colorful for Valentine's Day. And speaking of special touches, let me show you these adorable heart-shaped sugar cubes. Believe it or not, I made them myself with just sugar, water, and a silicone mold. They're super easy to make and add such a sweet personalized detail to any tea setup. To make these, all you need is half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of water. You're going to add both to a bowl and mix until the sugar binds together. Then we're going to press the mixture firmly into a heart-shaped mold. Mine is from Amazon, and I'll link it below for you. Once your mold is filled, cover it with a piece of plastic wrap and let it sit overnight. By morning, your sugar cubes will be hardened and ready to go. And these make perfect little gifts in a Valentine's tea basket, or, like I did, I displayed them in a jar as part of my tea bar decor. They're not only cute, but they're also so much fun to make. For this part of my tea bar, I added a touch of Valentine's charm with a festive tea mug and these adorable heart-shaped teaspoons that I found on Amazon. To make the setup even more special, I paired them with heart-shaped tea strainers, which fit the theme perfectly. Of course, I couldn't forget honey stirrers, such a thoughtful addition for those who love a drizzle of honey in their tea, especially during the winter months when a soothing cup of tea is just what we need to fight off colds and flus. The mug found its perfect spot on my tiered tray, a favorite piece I picked up at Target a few years ago. And here's a fun budget-friendly tip. Get creative with leftover ribbon or gift wrap scraps to dress up trays and simple items. Festive stickers, faux flowers from past parties, delicate doilies, or even Dollar Tree crates can be easily transformed into charming seasonal decor. It's an effortless way to add personality and warmth to your tea bar without breaking the bank. A tea bar wouldn't be complete without some sweet treats to pair with your tea. I used a mix of cute containers that I found in the Dollar Tree party section and Target's bullseye section to display all my favorites. For a Valentine's touch, I added Dove dark chocolates in the shape of hearts. They're such a classic indulgence. And I also filled this adorable Valentine's Day bear container from Dollar Tree with Biscoff cream-filled cookies. They fit perfectly because of their size, and they're always a favorite in my home. To keep the theme going, I included strawberry and vanilla wafers, which pair beautifully with tea. This charming Valentine's cookie jar is another favorite piece that I picked up at Target a few years ago. And I use it all the time to store goodies, and I love that it has a great seal to keep everything fresh. A must if you're putting cookies on your tea bar so they don't spoil. For an extra touch, I added Pepperidge Farm Chessman cookies to a smaller jar that I already had from the Dollar Tree. I love arranging all these treat jars prominently around the tea bar so they're easy to grab. Isn't it cute? There's something for everyone. To make my setup even cozier, I treated myself to this beautiful teapot that I found on Amazon. It has a built-in strainer and it holds about 16 to 17 ounces of water, perfect for making tea for two. If you don't have a teapot, a carafe works just as well, and I also ordered one on Amazon that I've used for every occasion, making it a versatile addition to my collection. Of course, I had to include some of my favorite teacups in this setup, and one teacup in particular holds a special place in my heart. It brings back cherished memories of a visit to Tokyo Disney with my daughter, her husband, and my beautiful granddaughter. Beauty and the Beast has always been a meaningful story for our family, and thinking about it brings back so many sweet memories of my daughter's younger years. It's those little touches of nostalgia that make this tea bar extra special. To finish the look, I added some Valentine's Day napkins, plates, and simple decor that I already had on hand. The plates and napkins are a mix of last year's finds from Target and some budget-friendly paper goods that I picked up at the Dollar Tree this year. And here's a great budget hack. Pick up seasonal napkins and plates at the Dollar Tree or use plain ones that you already have and give them a Valentine's twist with stickers or washi tape. For decor, try shopping your home, like for candles, small vases, or even heart-shaped cookie cutters like the ones I used here that can add the perfect touch to your tea tray. With a little creativity, all of these small details can make your tea bar festive without spending much or even anything at all. I also love using window clings on glass jars to add a seasonal vibe. It's such an easy way to make things feel fresh and fun. And now that everything is decorated, let's take a moment to step back and enjoy the cozy Valentine's Day tea bar that we've created together. So if you're looking for a little something different this Valentine's Day, why not create a tea bar? It's easy, beautiful, and a lovely way to share special moments with loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you to try something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear about your tea bar creations. See you next time on Mimi Homestyle, where I'll have more Valentine's Day and some winter ideas coming your way. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin & Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.